viewers, you're watching a YouTube channel social campaign powered by Social Campaign for Social Transformation, the Samajik Abhiyan. Today we are going to discuss about Hareri Puja, popular in Tharu community. The Tharu community is a community that has adopted a distinct culture and civilization. This community has a distinct type of festivals which have distinct identity and values. Hareri Puja is the worship performed after the completion of planting paddy in this community. We are going to discuss about the same Hareri Puja. Hareri is a worship of nature, Prakriti Puja. After planting paddy, this puja is performed to pray that there will be no disease, insect, animal, or natural disaster in the planted paddy or any other crops. In this puja or worship, the people of the village go to the forest and bring the rat called Unra Muswa. Unra is a type of wild rat that is light brown in color. The rat is offered in Deuhar according to the religious law. Today, the practice of bringing mice from the forest is disappearing. After that, Batasa, Baria, etc. are offered to the god in Deuhar. Gurua or Bharra chants various mantras. Gurua or Bharra means a priest of Tharu community. It consists of a Tharu of the Dakar caste within the Tharu community who plays the instrument called Dhak Baja. They stay awake for a whole night along with the farmers of the village. In the morning, they walk across the border of the village chanting various mantra and making their voices. Gurua walks in the front line while the other villagers follow him. In the meantime, the Dakar plays Dhak Baja. On this occasion, it is said that the ghosts who have entered the village are captured using the tantra and taken to the river or forest so that they may not return to the village. In Tarai, the Tharu community mostly cultivates paddy, and when the paddy turns green, Hareri Puja seems to be given importance to agriculture in the traditional and cultural way in this community. It can be said that the Hareri Puja of Tharu community is one as the various community here give importance to agriculture. Moreover, research and studies are needed on the various aspects of this worship. We are looking for your suggestion. I am Dhruva Prasad Sharma with camera person Birendra Chaudhary for Samajik Abhiyan. Thank you for watching us.